Hey everyone, in this tutorial I am going to quickly show you how to cancel an order on Fiverr as a buyer or client. Whether you placed an order by mistake, change your mind or encounter an issue with the seller, Fiverr provides a way to request a cancellation. So let's get started. Sometimes after placing an order on a Fiverr, you might realize that you need to cancel it. The good news is to Fiverr has a built-in system that allows buyer to request cancellation through the resolution center. I will walk you through the step by step to make this process simple and easy. First, log into your Fiverr account. Once you log into your uh, buyer account, now you have to search for order sections. Now here you can see the orders. Click on that. Look for the order you want to cancel. Right now I don't have any active orders, so I'm not able to cancel it. So if you will see the order here, the inside the order page you will find different option. Under the support section, look for resolution center and click on it. In the resolution center you will see an option to request a cancellation. Follow the prompts, select the reason for your cancellation, and submit your request. The seller will notified and they can either accept or discuss the cancellation request with you. And that's it. That's how you can easily cancel an order on Fiverr as a buyer. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.